Hello there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault. Welcome to a spontaneous vlog. Special thanks to my biker brother for allowing me to ride his Kawasaki ZX6R, and what a blessed morning it is to have a companion like this. And what a blessed morning it is to have a companion like this. Nice, chilly, pleasant, breezy weather, morning weather, and the amazing, legendary 636cc engine from Kawasaki that has been brought back to life, or raised back to life from its glorious ashes in the most epic way possible. Looks nice and muscular. Not a big fan of the LED headlamps, but I mean the design, but apart from that, this is the sweetest tuned engine that you can find, and the way it revs is something you have to experience for yourself. You can watch my detailed first ride review. I think this puts out around 130 PS of max power and 70.8 Newton meters of max torque, and yes, we get a 6-speed gearbox. But today it's all about just having fun with this machine. So let's select and switch to full power mode, and then traction control, I think we'll leave it at 1, and quick shifter is on. So let's do the honors, start this sweetly tuned mega performance engine. Nice low set clip-on handlebars for that aggressive proper super sport riding posture, and off we go. What an amazing motorcycle, and that state of tune of the engine, I'm just losing it. Wow, it's like a Linkin Park song. It's perfect. How can one engine be so good, so damn good? You have to be, right up there. It kind of dares you. Do you have what it takes to handle the kind of performance I have on offer? That's what the bike questions you each time you get to ride this motorcycle. It's personification of perfection. So lightweight. What's that acceleration? Lightning fast. Lightning fast. Like a rocket. It's like a missile. absolutely insane, crazy, maniac. My God. Oh, that rush, that adrenaline rush kind of slaps you. I don't kind of makes you wide awake. Wow. Oh, what a morning. What a morning. What a way to kickstart a day. And yeah, this is just the stock exhaust. Actually, this bike had the Akrapovic. Imagine the kind of sound it would make. And now the Subway Symphony. Wow. This bike, you know, it revs limitlessly. Just watch it go. And it turns in and out of corners equally amazingly. Can't thank my friend enough for giving me a morning blast on this crazy, legendary, insane powerhouse of a machine. And you guys kept asking me which one would I prefer between the Daytona and the 6R. Well, the 6R is more usable. I mean, Daytona, you have to be alert, on your toes all the time, otherwise you can get yourself into trouble. But the 6R is kind of, it's very easy to ride, it's very easy to get used to, and it's very easy to control all that mayhem and the madness and the psychotic lunacy that this bike has on offer. Hulk serum. It's like the Hulk serum has been instilled into every part of this bike. It's just so crazy. It's so mad. It's freaking amazing. Wake-up call. What a way to wake up on Sunday morning. Thank you, Lord. I know I was all kind of official and formal while reviewing the motorcycle, and yes, I did break free with that because it was a factory demo bike, and this one, of course, just a morning date with the god of speed. Weapon on this machine. It's as it is crazy fast, and the quick shifter kind of amplifies that tenfold. Oh. things. Wow, these bikes are the only saving grace in this cursed COVID phase. You just forget everything. You just forget everything. Leave the world behind. Leave all the hurt and the pain behind. Just get lost in the pure joy and limitless happiness that these bikes offer. It's just sense of freedom that the bikes give you, and it's a first-hand experience when compared to a car, because you feel the nature kissing your face. So yep, it's time to end this jolly run with a bang. Let's stop by here, and I'll end this with a happy note, the exhaust note of the ZX6R. I still remember watching James Hillier blasting the previous gen ZX6R through the Isle of Man TT, and with razor sharp precision. I wish I get to ride there someday, but anyway, pure speed, pure madness, and pure perfection for you. Thanks for joining on this morning date with an absolute track weapon, the ZX6R. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.